Hi everyone, it's Miss Leah again, and we are back with LJM Storytime. Today's book is called The Sounds of Autumn by Mandy Fender. Here we go. Okay. Use your incredible imagination to hear the sounds of autumn as you see the pictures and listen to the words. Let's practice. Can you think about what sound a big hollow pumpkin makes when you tap it? Thump, 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 thump. I actually have one here. Let's try it. There we go. Is that what your sound sounded like? All right, here we go. Great job. Now let's begin. In the trees, you'll likely see the squirrels who like to chitter chatter and are as happy as can be. Listen closely, and you will hear their small little chirpings in your ear. Chirp, chirp, chatter, chirp, chatter, chirp, chirp. Through the branches, hear the sounds of the whistling wind blowing leaves to the ground. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. From above, an acorn falls. Listen closely to its calls. Tapping gently on the ground, autumn's rhythm is making sound. Tap, 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 tap. Round and orange, a favorite of fall, there will be all sorts of pumpkins in the field, both big and small. Tap their sides and you will see, thump, thump, a perfect autumn melody. Thump, 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 thump. In the forest, a moose, tall and grand, roams through the vibrant land. Hooves trot upon the fallen leaves, a beautiful symphony of autumn sounds it weaves. Trot, trot, crackle, crackle. With the cool autumn winds comes the rain, and a gentle pitter patter beats against the window pane. Pitter patter, pitter patter. The first cold front of autumn brings in a chill. A little field mouse gets cozy by the fire and sits still. The crackling fire gives the room a warm feel. Crackling, crackling. Amid the night, a masked raccoon looks playfully at the moon. The sound of crickets fills the air. Home is calling. It's time to go. Follow the light of autumn's glow. Chirping, chirping, chirping. When the stars start to rise, an owl's hoot begins to fill the skies. Hoo, hoo. In the starry night, autumn's voice is calm and bright. Hoo, hoo. And so, in autumn's tender hold, nature's story and sounds are told. Always enjoy the sounds of the seasons, for every one of them has a reason. What's your favorite sound of the season? Do you have a favorite? Hopefully this book helped you figure out what they were or what one of those sounds was. So this book again is called The Sounds of Autumn by Mandy Fender. I really hope you enjoyed this book, and I will see you next time at LJM Storytime.